guys, welcome back. I'm Angel. For those of you who are new here, thanks for being here. Today we're talking about email marketing. You're probably looking at me like, email marketing, Angel? Like, really? Come on, what's that? Seriously? Yes, seriously. If you didn't know this, email marketing can be so powerful. You guys, don't sleep on it. Don't sleep on it. Don't sleep on it. Think about it like this. Social media comes and goes, okay? MySpace was around, Vine was around. I mean, they come and go. Platforms do. Some platforms are starting to go dead now. I'm not gonna name any names, but they are dying, and others are more popular. So let's accept this concept first, that platforms go and come. Some trend, some detrend. Is that a word? But once you understand that concept, your mindset should be about, well, what's going to be consistent and how can I continue to reach my audience outside of a platform? So that's where email marketing comes into play. That leads me into the first benefit of email marketing, being able to directly reach your audience. To be quite frank, I'll just say this. You may have subscribers on YouTube, but if you were banned or kicked off YouTube, you couldn't access your subscribers, right? No, you could not contact them. YouTube is allowing you to contact your subscribers. YouTube is the middleman in essence. So without YouTube, you couldn't contact these people who want to follow you, who wants to learn from you, who wants to see your life, or whatever the case may be. Same with Instagram. How could you contact your followers if you're kicked off Instagram, or if you're banned or shut down, or if Instagram shut down? You're back to square one with nobody to reach. How would you reach your audience? Technically, you have given that platform full power. They have to be that middleman for you to reach your audience and your followers. You could not reach them without the platform. Sad, right? Depressing a little? I hope I have kind of made you a little sad thinking of it like that. But not to completely make you feel bad. That's the reason why email marketing is so important. You want the power to be able to reach your audience. I have 2 email lists, you guys. I have my lifestyle email list, so people that have signed up over the years to my newsletter or signed up for a freebie for my lifestyle channel, like my mom life and organization home stuff. And then I have my email list for you guys, my creators. You've either signed up for something free or signed up for the newsletter in and of itself. If you have not, there's a link below. You can sign up and get on it so that I can always contact you and can always keep you up to date of what's going on outside of a platform. So definitely recommend you guys do that, by the way. But that is definitely the #1 benefit of email marketing. You can always reach your audience directly without a third-party app, without a platform, without any other source besides your email marketing company. But you can always download emails so that you always have them too. There are a lot of different technicals, but I'm just saying in general, once you have somebody's email address, that's powerful, you guys. Another thing you can do also with your email list, once you generate emails, you create your email list. Another benefit of having people emails is that you can send them surveys. So let's say I have sent a survey. If you guys have ever signed up for something free, you get a follow-up email saying that, hey, I have a survey. I want to help you. Tell me what I can help you with. I actually want to know. Like, I don't want to just sit here and create random videos that you guys aren't interested in. Let me know, which was one of the reasons for creating this video, because I got asked a lot about email marketing. You can go fill that survey out, and that survey breaks down what platform do you want to learn about, what do you want me to teach you, like what do you want to pick my brain about. That's what this whole channel is for, you guys. It's my creator's corner. It's for y'all to pick my brain, okay? I'm here for that, trying to be open, so I'm taking out that time to do that. So surveys are great to include and incorporate in your email marketing. Another great thing you can do with email marketing is share news, upcoming events, things that you got going on, new YouTube videos, new podcast, new Instagram posts. You can share your news. Like, if you don't know, these social media platforms do not show all of your followers your stuff, okay? They do not. They do not. Guys, honestly, less than 6% of your audience see your stuff. And honestly, the only way for more people to see your stuff is the people that did see it. If they liked or commented or shared, then they might open it up to a larger audience. But it's a scales. No piece of content ever goes to every audience member you have, or every follower, every subscriber. It does not. Unfortunately, eye opener if you didn't know that. But guess what? If you get their email, they'll get that email. As long as it don't go to spam, that is. But you can reach each and every one of your subscribers, okay? And you can also see if they open up the email. So that's amazing. It's powerful. You can see what they clicked. You guys, there's so much you can see from an email. And you know, you can see if they like getting your emails or not, if they're opening them and they're not opening, if they're clicking on your YouTube videos to watch them, you know, which videos gets the most clicks. Okay, you can tell they are more interested in seeing this. So it's amazing. Email marketing is powerful. You can see so much from your emails, and you can do so much with an email list. And last and finally, here's another big thing you can do with your email list. You can make money from your email list. How? Telling people about your products. You got a new product coming out, send it email. Telling them about that product in the email. If you have some affiliate links you want to send, put your affiliate links in there. If you got some products you want to talk about, you can put your affiliate links in emails, you guys. Courses that you're selling, workshops that you have, you can make money from your email list. That is one of the most powerful ways to make money, is with the email list. And it's so many different techniques you can do with the email list. I mean, it's so complicated. I could go more into details and tell you guys about targets and set up different categories depending on what people click on, and you can target only those people that clicked on a certain area. I can go more into detail. If you guys want to learn more about email marketing, drop me a comment, let me know. That way I don't want to waste my time if you guys don't really want to know all the technical aspects and amazing things you can do with them. But there are some great things you can do with them. But there's a few benefits and pros of why I definitely believe in email list. Definitely want to recommend to you guys as creators and influencers out there, start your email list, okay? Start one. And there are a number of ways to do it. I don't mind sharing more ways. Just let me know and I can take out more time and to do more videos on this topic. But I did want to throw out there, you can never say I never told you, okay? I did tell you, and you guys have asked about that in my surveys. So this video was a quick video coming to address the reasons why you should start an email list and the reasons why email marketing is so beneficial and so powerful. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you guys want to learn more information for being a creator and things that I definitely recommend. Make sure to check out these videos on screen. They will definitely help you in some form or fashion, and I'll see you guys in those videos.